Good day everyone. My name is Neil Mark Amos-Kin, student of Bachelor of Arts major in Economics. Today I'm going to show you the steps on how are you going to make a QR code in Bitly. And before we make our QR code in Bitly, we make our curriculum vitae in Google Drive. But before that, and we are going to make a link our curriculum vitae in the Google Drive. So first is just open the Google Drive, and after you open the Google Drive, um, just click files. No, just click this button and just click again folder to make a new folder. And sa yung new folder is just papangalan natin ng curriculum vitae. So after you create your curriculum vitae, after you create your curriculum vitae, just click again your curriculum vitae, and again just click this button to upload your resume, bio data, or just like your created curriculum vitae. Just scroll down and this. So after you uploaded your curriculum vitae, your picture in curriculum vitae, after you uploaded, just rename to curriculum vitae. So after you rename your curriculum vitae, just click again this button, just click share. Kaya para ma-access lahat ng mag-scan ng QR code mo. So click not shared, click restricted. So as you can see, only people added can open. So just click this restricted and just click anyone with the link. So makikita natin yan. So sa anyone with the link, pindutin natin yung arrow na pababa and just click the viewer. So again, go back to your curriculum vitae that you created, and so this is. So after you created curriculum vitae, just click again the arrow, the button, the three button on the left side, and again copy link. So after you copy link, just go to Google site. Just go to Google site para ma-open na yung Google, yung betly.com mo, para dun ka na gumawa ng sa yung sariling QR code mo. So after that, just click betly.com.login, then again click login betly. So after you click again betly, makikita mo yung kung mag-sign in ka ba or just continue with your Google account. So for me, I'm just going to use my active Google account para pag open ng, pero nasa sayo rin naman yan kung magawa ka ng sarili mong account. Pero para sa akin, yung sariling account ko na lang yung gagawin ko para mas madali. Pero nasa sayo din naman yan. So ito na. So continue with Google sa akin. So ayan, continue with Google. So after makikita mo yung ditong account mo. So this is my Google active account. So pagkatapos niyan, makikita na yung laman ng paano ka gagawa ng sarili mo QR code. So just wait. Yung purpose nito, yung sariling QR code is para mas mapadali yung transaction nyo. Just like now, like technology na yung ginagamit natin. So, we need talaga QR code. So, just scroll down below. Then, just click make a Betly, create a Betly code. So, after you that, so makikita mo yung destination, just click your copy link. Just put it copy link. And yung title optional, um, ma, it depends on you naman. So, doon sa curriculum vitae natin na ginawa, which is yun, so, i-delete lang natin yung Google Drive, and yung dulo sa curriculum vitae dash, lagyan natin ng 01. Kasi 01 kasi yung activity 1. So after that, so after na maano nyo, just design your QR code. Again, so ito na, design your QR code. So nasa sayo din yan kung ano yung design, kung ito ba, kung ito. Makikita nyo yun sa previous QR code. Yan yung sa atin, yung sa akin. So yung corners, ito, yan, yun yung corners ko. So, you choose your colors. Depende yan sa'yo kung ano yung color na pipiliin mo. Pero for me, yung pipiliin ko yung yung sky blue kasi yung favorite color ko. Nabulol na ako. Yan yung favorite color ko. Then after that, just scroll down and select a frame. So for me, yung select a frame ko, ito yung scan me. Kasi yan yung nagustuhan ko. Depends naman sa'yo kung ano yung mo yung gagawin mo so let's see our let's see our our QR code, yung ginawa ko yung QR code. Okay, yun na yun, para din na mahirapan. Okay, yan yung ginawa natin QR code. Let's see kung yun na ba. Okay, yan yung yun natin, yung para makita natin yung ating QR code. So depends naman sa iyo kung i-reset mo ba, kung di mo ba anong bet. So i-reset mo na lang, just like yung reset mo, just like select again your own color, just like green. Okay. Pero yung sa akin talaga yung sky blue. Then select again. Then after that, create your QR code. Yan. Create your QR code. Ang bagal ng signal ko. Yan. Yan na yung create ng curriculum vitae. Yan. Then, pwede ako copy code. For me, download na lang. Yan, download natin. Okay, download na. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung gagana ba. So, let's see our album. Let's see our album, then download. Ito na yung download, then ito. Scan natin yan. Okay. So, punta tayo sa scanner. Punta tayo ng scanner, then ma-detect natin kung talagang gumana ba talaga yung QR code na ginawa natin. So, ito, scan me. Ito yung QR code na to. So, again, yan, gumana siya, yan. Tingnan natin kung tama ba yung ginawa natin. Continue to destination. Yan. Yung curriculum vitae, yung sa iba, yung sa sa itaas, curriculum vitae yan. Dito, yung sa itaas. Tapos, yan na. Tingnan nyo. Thank you. So, that's all.